So I'm sorry if the project just randomly stopped on this end, but that's my time limit. Yeah, I know. It only let me record for 15 minutes. So let's do jasmine again. A white floral bouquet with fresh greenery and soft musk give our classic jasmine a modern feel. Comment hashtag wait what? If you think they said it's a even although they said it's a classic, it doesn't seem like it's one. Comment wait what? Hashtag wait what? If you next up is lavender. Yeah, I was about to tell you about this trendy lavender, but eventually the videos stopped right there. No, not when I was going here. Right on jasmine. 15 minutes for we got so long through. Next up is lavender. Soothe the senses with pure lavender oil and enhanced with cedarwood, greens, and bright citrus fruits. It's only available in trees. Okay, gotta go. No. This is nowhere near the end of the video. Just it's a little background break. Bye. So, all back to refreshed. If you're ready to, let's do leather. The rich and intoxicating scent of real leather, soft to the touch with a smooth grain texture and perfect stitch. They come in noni trees. Wah, wah, wah. Here's morning fresh, everybody. A clean outdoor fragrance with hints of floral and the promise of a new day. Only available in trees. Just like unfortunate leather. Period. Next up is Moroccan mint tea. An intense herbal brew of lively green tea fused with sprigs of fresh mint and sweetened with sugar. Only available in trees. This is actually Donut's favorite tree. He ranks it a 92. Just like Rainshine, but overall, Moroccan mint tea was the winner. Oh gosh. Some of you Willow's water. If you don't know what Willow is, she's my dog. She's a beautiful Frenchie. OMG, you cannot resist her, probably. Boy. Now I said Moroccan mint tea. After Moroccan mint tea, Donut's favorite, is finally another one I smelled. And perhaps another perfect classic. Give your vehicle a tune-up with the rich scent of a brand new car. Brand new cars smell pretty bad to me. But this tree actually pretty good. And it doesn't even smell like a real new car, so thank goodness for that. It's available in all 6, just like Caribbean Colada is available in all 6 its products. Fiber can, spray, trees, Flint liquid, Flint rock, and extra strength. All of them have new car scent, just like Pray. Just like Caribbean Culada. This is pray. And actually, I wonder why they didn't say it's one of the classics, because it really is one of the classics, probably. Next up is no smoking. Fill your space with notes of fresh sandalwood and citrus while alerting your passengers. No smoking allowed. Donuts asked where the sandalwood come from in that video when he was ranking no smoking. It's only available in trees. New Carson available no Moroccan in trees. Woohoo! Next up, we're finally on Older Eliminator. Another new one. I wonder why they're not even calling this new anymore. I guess but this is new. Yeah, they just got messed up. This available is Reinvent Route. Airwash technology transforms, inhibits, and blocks malodors, leaving behind a truly great scent. Haven't smelled that either. Next up is Beachy Peach. Oh, you're saying like, if you're saying that, it has to be realistic. Comment, it has to be hashtag, it has to be realistic. If you think Peachy Peach really smells exactly like, well, peach. Just like a perfect peach fruit from the orchard, juicy and deliciously ripe. Comes only in trees, unfortunately. Next up is Pina Colada. The mouth-watering combination of sweet pineapple and creamy coconut whisk you off to a tropical paradise. It's only available in trees. They whisk me off at tropical. I never smelled this one before on my Caribbean. Wow. Comment. Oh, those scenes are so pretty. I wish I could go there. If you just pray to go there. Just look at the calm water and mountains right over there. This guy has to be near some sort of Tennessee thingy. Fine. No. After Pina Colada is pure steel. Which I actually smelled this one before. Unfortunately, this one got completely thrown away by Dad. Hopefully this one returns. Bright citrus is contrasted with hints of dark chocolate and amber for this hard-hitting masculine aroma. Okay. It's only available on trees. Next up is Rainforest Mist. Also smelled. That's actually the one in Mom's car right now. And one of the newest trees since they got actually. The second newest one. Well, the third newest one, I bet. The newest is Vanilla Roma, which Dad actually gave me after he found it without anybody fighting one for months, probably. The newest in general we buy this slice. And this one is the second one, I think. Rainforest Mist, the perfect harmony of bamboo waters, lush greens, and exotic flowers. It's only available on trees. Next up is Rainshine. Donut rated this also 92, but overall Moroccan mint tea was the best. Inspired by those first few sunny moments after a rainstorm, Rainshine is a renewing mix of dewy florals and earthy greens. Oh. Comment hashtag. This one isn't made out of man-made chemicals. If you think this one overall literally has only, guess what? Earthy minerals. Only ones found on Earth. Not any like man-made chemicals. Only available in trees. We're getting there. Next up is rose form. Rich red rose enveloped by bright greens and dark earth gives every dimension to a familiar floral. It's only available in trees. I wonder why they added a skull in this. And all that. Instead of just being like a rose on the tree. If I made this, it would be pretty simple. Just a rose on a tree. Not any realistic looking rose or skull inside it. Comment hashtag too realistic if you think this one looks a little too realistic for most trees. Rose thorns only available in trees. As I said. Next up is Royal Pine. A classic for over 60 years. I believe this is actually one of the first little trees ever. And it's still here up to date. A classic for over 60 years. Enjoy this invigorating evergreen aroma that will transport you to the great outdoors. I wonder why, but it's only available in trees and extra strength. Yeah, weird, right? Next up is Sliced. I've actually smelled this one before. A sparkling citrus fusion of zesty lemon, green lime, tangy grapefruit, and juicy orange. It's only available in trees. Next up, Strawberry. The sweet scent of ripe, freshly picked strawberries for preserves. This one's available in spray, trees, mint wrap, and extra strength. Yep, for preserves. Next up is Summer Linen. The scent of sunny cotton, white peach, lavender, and coconut water. Available in trees, vent liquid, and vent wrap. Next up is Sunset Beach. Hints of neroli, musk, and white flowers linger in the air as the sun sets long, relaxing days spent at the beach. Only available in trees. Next up is Supernova. Inspired by a stellar explosion, supernova pops with bursts of bright bergamot, intensified by notes of dark berry, arsenic flowers, and musk. Only available in trees, just like Sunset Beach. Next up, True North. I smelled it before. Inspired by, and it's still on home in Brothershire. Inspired by Canada's scenic snow-capped mountain, True North blends crisp Arctic air with frosted pine needles. Available in trees, vent liquid, and extra strength. Bye. This one has been really long. Almost time's up. Bye.